Hello, welcome. In this video, we're gonna test and check the speaker is working or not. I found this speaker in my old radio, so I picked it up and we're gonna test it. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we're gonna need a digital multimeter to measure. Plug those in and switch it to ohm right here. Positive to positive and negative to negative. When we first testing it, the value will be vary, but after some time, it will become stable. The working speaker should have between 6 to 8 ohm. Set up jumper wires positive to positive and negative to negative. When we have set up jumper wire, we're gonna need a battery. Again, positive to positive and negative to negative. If the polarities are right and speaker is still working, this gonna happen. The speaker is gonna go up and down, and it's gonna sound like this. And I tested further with Arduino, and this is the result. So this is it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you figure it out too. See you. Have a good day.